A new report from property website Daft has shown that the level of increase in monthly rents slowed in the second quarter of this year. Our consumer affairs correspondent Angus Cox joins us now in studio. So prices basically, Angus, are still rising but at a slower rate. How significant is this slowdown?
Well, Tommy, this Daft report suggests that in the first 3 months of the year, the cost of rents went up by 4.4%. A lot of this was down to new rental rules introduced in March. They allow landlords to reset rents to market rates between tenancies. But that settled down in the second quarter. As you can see behind us, rent inflation, it slowed right down to 1.4%. For Dublin, though, rents there around 6.5% higher than last year. But for the other major cities, it's between 11 and 13%. While the average market rent for a two-bedroom apartment, that's just above €2,204 there, as you can see. But for Dublin, it's even higher, €2,600 a month. And this is what Trinity College professor and author of this report, Ronan Lyons, had to say about the numbers.
It sounds like good news, and of course it is good news compared to what could have happened, but I wouldn't overstress it, as in it's still, if you're looking now compared to a year ago, we're talking about 7, 8, 9% increases on average, and indeed in some markets more than that. Galway and Cork City, 13% increases now compared to a year ago. The underlying issue there is, regardless of the changes in the rent control rules and what impact it may have had in the first couple of months of the year, the underlying issue is a lack of supply.
And that's the issue, Tommy. There simply aren't enough properties available to rent. At the beginning of August, there were just under 2,400 rental homes, as you can see there on the Daft portal. That was 5% more than last year, but availability in Dublin, that's down 18%. And the only real intervention we've seen in the rental market in recent times has been around trying to control rent increases. But that doesn't tackle this underlying problem of supply.
Angus Cox, thanks indeed.